Hey, Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. We're going to continue our crawl space myth series, and today we're going to talk about, does adding fans control relative humidity? Stay tuned. Okay, I can't tell you how many times I've been in front of a homeowner and they say, well, Crawl Space Encapsulation Company A said all I needed to do was put in more vent fans in the crawl space and I would get rid of all of the high humidity in the crawl space. That is not true. That's a myth. Now, if you live in a climate where you have a low outside humidity all the time, and you have a fan pulling that outside air into a crawl space that's high in humidity, then that is true. But most of our climate here in the South is high outside humidity, so adding more fans will only bring in more humidity into the crawl space. So we're going to label that as a myth, that installing crawl space fans alone controls humidity. My name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day. We'll see you later.